Welcome to the Green Existing Schools web training series hosted by the Center for Green Schools. This module will help orient you to tools to make your school a more healthy and efficient place for teaching and learning. There are 3 tools in particular that can assist your team in their efforts to green school buildings and grounds. They include the EPA's Energy Star Portfolio Manager, the LEAD Online, and USGBC's Green Existing Schools Project Implementation Workbook. Before viewing this module, we recommend you watch the associated training modules, How to Green Existing Schools, the Overview of a Comprehensive Plan, and the Energy Management module. Here, though, we'll dive deeper to review the Green Schools planning tools, starting with EPA's Portfolio Manager. The Energy Star Portfolio Manager is an interactive online energy management tool developed to help owners and facility managers analyze, track, and rate the energy efficiency of their buildings. Schools can use Portfolio Manager to track energy and water consumption, identify underperforming buildings, set performance goals, prioritize building system upgrades, and monitor and verify efficiency improvement strategies. You can start by setting up a free account at Energy Star website, energystar.gov/benchmark. Once you've established your account, you can begin entering in the collected data about each facility, including 12 months of consecutive utility bills for energy and water. This information will be used to correctly benchmark the facility's energy performance for water performance and calculate the building's greenhouse gas emissions. Additional resources are available on the Energy Star website to guide you through the benchmarking process. Each facility and portfolio manager receives a score, which is the comparison of your building's energy performance to similar buildings nationwide. A score of 75 means your building performs better than 75% of all similar buildings nationwide and may be eligible for Energy Star or LEED certification. An Energy Star building label is awarded for a specific year and can be renewed each year. Using Energy Star's online reporting feature, you can generate a Statement of Energy Performance, or SEP, which is a summary of your project's energy consumption and performance, including your 1 to 100 Energy Star score. This is a helpful tool to communicate your building's performance with other school leaders. Started in 2010 as the first ever coast-to-coast energy reduction contest among commercial buildings, the Energy Star National Building Competition can draw out the competitive spirit among your school community as you work to lower your energy usage and battle it out for recognition as the most efficient building in the country. Now we will review the Center for Green Schools K-12 Toolkit for existing schools. This toolkit is a comprehensive resource of web trainings, implementation guides, and tracking spreadsheets that you and your team can use to properly plan, implement, and monitor your Green Schools program. Specific resources in this toolkit include the other 9 web trainings in this series, as well as the associated companion guides for each topic. To help with specific planning and tracking efforts, we made available online sustainable purchasing tracking spreadsheets, a solid waste management tracker, and an occupant commuting survey summary table. In addition, the Green Existing Schools Toolkit also contains access to the Green Existing Schools Project Management Guide and Implementation Workbook. These resources provide guidance, best practices, and policy and planning templates addressed by the LEED for existing buildings operation and maintenance rating system. Next, we will highlight resources for schools interested in certifying a building using the LEED for existing building rating system. LEED, or Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, is the most widely used green building rating system in the world. LEED certification provides independent verification of a building or neighborhood's green features, enabling resource-efficient, high-performing, healthy, and cost-effective buildings. LEED Online is the primary resource for managing the registration and documentation process for certification, It allows team members to submit and upload files, track progress, contact customer service, and more. If you are pursuing LEED certification for your school, you will need to follow these steps. The main 5 steps for LEED certification are 1, choose a rating system. 2, register your project. 3, submit your project application. 4, undergo GBCI expert review of your LEED application. And finally, 5, receive a certification decision. Keep in mind that for existing building certification, recertification every 5 years is required. We will now share some helpful resources for your team at each step of these processes. Certification begins with rating system selection, verification that the LEED project meets the minimum performance requirements, or MPRs, and project registration. LEED addresses all building types at every life cycle phase, so it's important to ensure that you select the right rating system for your project start. If you're looking to green an existing school, you will certify under LEED Existing Buildings Operations and Maintenance. After registering the project, the team uses the LEED scorecard, reference manual, and applicable resources in LEED Online to establish target credits and determine credit compliance paths. The next step is to prepare documentation for all prerequisites and for the credits the team has chosen to pursue by submitting via LEED Online. You can upload many of the submittal templates, such as your green cleaning policy and alternative transportation plan, up until the final submittal for certification. When submitted for certification, a project goes through preliminary and final reviews. GBCI reviewers will conduct an early review to assist teams with technical advice on credits that require additional work. All feedback will be captured in LEED Online. The final review will contain the project's score and certification level. The latter can be accepted or appealed in cases where the team believes additional consideration is warranted. Now that your LEED project has been certified and your team can celebrate, you can order your LEED plaque to hang in your building via LEED Online. To maintain certification, LEED existing building operation and maintenance projects require recertification as frequently as each year and no less than every 5 years. The project team will again use LEED Online to submit recertification documentation. To learn more about LEED Online, go to leedonline.com. For more information on the Green Building Certification Institute and other certification programs, visit www.gbci.org. Thank you for listening today. We hope these resources are helpful as you pursue green school programs at your school or district.